right. Washington Convention Center. I'm at the motorcycle show. Hopefully this is going to make you too dizzy me walking. And I thought I'd come over and take a picture of the Ducati monster. Yes, that's nice. Ticket. And I'm sure this belongs to somebody on the Ducati forum. And it's a S2R. Alright, again. Convention Center. So I'm going to try to make this quick because there's a lot of people around. I don't want to look like the crazy man talking into a cell phone. So, because I have my Kodak ZI-8, I think it is. It's a nice day actually. I wimped out and drove it in my cage rather than the motorcycle. It was a little cold, and I got an hour and a half drive, and I don't have a lot of winter clothes, so winter riding clothes. So anyway, I'm gonna do a couple of little video clips of some of the different motorcycles in here. So hopefully these different motorcycles that I do little clips on are something of interest that you guys might like. All right, see you inside. All right, well, it's very crowded in here, so it's kind of hard to do any kind of vlog, but I was over here looking at the Ducati Monster and the Evo 1100. It's very nice. Everybody wants to get on them. Hey, now.
He says that's faster than Marciano.
And there it is. That is a pretty thing. And real quick, there's not a lot of motorcycles here compared to last year. That is beautiful, huh? Look at that. Look at that tail light on that. It's the new Superbike. $11.99. There's a lot of people in here. Somebody with a camera in their hand. And there's the Multistrada. It's an interesting color. Okay, missed something?
Rock me, baby.
Quite a bit more.
And
It's a 4 modes.
It's different than anything else. That's true.
alright, got a picture on the face there. Another angle of the Ducati again. Monster. Alright, so here we go again. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm trying to talk kind of on the soft side, on the low side. And we'll go over here to the Evolve. Oh, I'm sorry.
It sounds like it really does. And
There's the Evolve. That is a huge rear tire. Look at those exhausts.
it's better than the ones I've seen.
And there's a lot of lovely ladies here.
Getting more scotch done?
And that's okay, go ahead. Yeah, no, I'm just doing a little vlog. And this is the Buell's new, Eric Buell's new iteration of his concepts. And looks like an old carbon fiber 1190 RS. And it's very nice.
This is really nice. Really tall, too.
The one-sided front rotor. It does have a chain on it. Look at that carbon fiber. Look at that. It's a nice bike. And I guess it's unfortunate that he couldn't utilize his ideas within the Harley-Davidson corporate world. Look, I'll just show you something kind of neat here. Vents down here for brake cooling. Good old Norton Commando 961. It's very nice.